Hello and welcome to Azariah's Studio. My name is Sarah. I am the artist and designer behind Azariah's Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work a half double crochet. You will need any weight of yarn that you're comfortable working with. I suggest something smooth and in a solid color with an appropriate size crochet hook. I have DK weight and a hook size G. Make your slip knot. We are going to chain 7, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to work a half double crochet into the third chain from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. I've yarned over. I'm going to insert my hook into the third chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop. I now have 3 on my hook. Yarn over, draw through all 3. Yarn over. Insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 3. Yarn over, pull through all 3. Going to keep doing that all the way across. That's one row. Turn. I like to chain 1 for my half double crochets. Okay, now this is where things can get tricky. Half double crochets have like a third loop, and this can get to be a lot of fun. We'll talk about that in a moment. Generally speaking though, you're going to work into these top 2 loops that you see normally on the top of like a double crochet or a single crochet. Just work in those top 2. I'm not going to do anything with the chain 2 at the end. We're just going to leave it alone. I have a blog post about turning chains. The link is in the description below if you're interested. So we should still have 5 half doubles. And you see I have this ridge here. If I want my ridges all on the same side, so I have one here, I want to keep them on the back. Then I'm going to go into this very front loop and the first loop. The very front and then the first. This is when you are working half double crochets in rows. Makes it all smooth on one side and has all the ridges on the other side. When you work in rounds and half double crochets, the right side's all smooth and then the inside has all the ridges. When you don't work in those 2 particular loops, your ridges end up on every other side. So this one's on the back again, because I'm working in those top 2 loops. Work just in the top 2 loops again. And now my ridge is on the opposite side. So all smooth, ridge. Ridge, 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 no ridge. So it depends on the look that you're going for. It depends on what the pattern is telling you. Doing a half double crochet is simple. It gives just enough height sometimes in certain situations. I chose it for the Let's Go crocheted version of the hats because it was just tight enough that it would actually be warm, but it wasn't so tight that it would have no give to it like a single crochet and also take forever. That is how you work a half double crochet. Thank you for watching. If you liked what you saw, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have more questions, you can always email me, sarah@azariahsfiberarts.com, or drop a comment below. Happy making!